Assalamu alaikum. It's Jenna. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. It is brand new year 2020. Bye bye 2019. Bye bye all the negativity, any issues we had in 2019. Let's step into 2020 on a positive note, with only positive thoughts, more positivity, less negativity, more love and less hate. So wishing you guys all the best for this new year. Hope you guys achieve all the goals you've set out for yourself. Of course, make them realistic goals so that as you make progress, you'll definitely feel a sense of accomplishment. In today's video, we're going to be starting off with a little healthy video. And let's just say for this year, one of the things that I'm going to try to do is incorporate more healthy videos, healthy dishes, healthy meals for you guys. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick and easy hearty lentil peas soup. But of course, before we jump into the video, guys, hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button, and that is just so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So once you hit that bell notification button and I post a video, you will get a notification. So of course you can go check it out and share with all your friends and your family. So let's jump into this lentil peas soup now. So these are the ingredients for our lentil peas soup. I'm going to be using some tomato paste, just a little, a pimento, lentils of course, fresh parsley, garlic, shadow Beni, hot pepper, and I've already cut up some carrots, onions, cassava is in there, potato, pumpkin. I'm going to be adding in some roasted Geera, just a little bit, some MSG free all-purpose seasoning. This already has salt in it, and some paprika. Just that's all for what we're going to be using in our hearty, healthy lentil peas soup. I think I forgot to mention sweet pepper, so we add in sweet pepper in there as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is let our lentil peas cook. So I'm adding it to a pot of water, and we're just going to let that cook. It should take about 20 to 25 minutes to get soft, and then we're just going to add the other ingredients, and that is it. It takes not too long. So while the lentils are boiling, let's just talk quickly about the reason for me trying or starting off with a healthy dish. As the year started, our husband and I were trying to include healthy meals in our diet. Now I will say that I am not a nutritionist to say give any sort of advice or on diet plans or health issues related to meals and sort of anything like that at all. So I will not be able to answer any questions, of course, on those things. This is just based on research. This is just based on our own goals, and just to try to include more fruits, more vegetables, a healthier way of eating. So I will still be doing my regular videos, regular meals, sweets, desserts, all of that's still going to come. But for us, I'm just going to try to throw in some healthy meals and healthy stuff for you guys as well. So for example, this lentils can be done two ways. You can do it the stewing way. That's with the brown sugar and the ketchup and the oil. We're eliminating that. Just going to be boiling it, and we're going to be adding green seasoning to it. That's going to add the extra flavor, and I'm going to be adding just a little bit of tomato paste. Now I would have actually been adding golden ray butter and some of the oil and all that ketchup and stuff to it, but I'm eliminating all of those things. So this is just a nice healthy lentil pea soup. You can also include meat in it if you want, but we have been doing the no meat meals actually for a while now. Him more than me, of course, but we try to do no meat 2 days, or some days we try to do fish and not so much chicken. So just going to show you guys different meals, healthy ways for you to go about eating and to include a healthier lifestyle with your meals. So our lentil has been boiling for some time, and now I'm just going to be adding all of the other ingredients. All my vegetables and the cassava potato is in there. I'm grating a garlic, and at the end, just when it's almost finished or just about finished, I'm going to be adding in all the other green seasoning. So I'm adding the garlic now and some of the shadow Beni. Now you have the option, you can make the green season, put it all in the food processor, but I want to leave it all chunky to enjoy in this soup. So if you prefer to add the green seasoning all together in the food processor, go right ahead. Pimento goes in as well. Hot pepper for some spice, of course. In goes some of my paprika, some of the roasted Geera, and the all-purpose seasoning. So we're just going to let everything cook until the potatoes and the cassava, carrots are all nice and tender. So a couple things to note, I use what I have on hand, but of course you can add in some green fig stick, you can add in some edo, some yam, any other thing that you want to add in the meat. You can add just about any vegetable to it as well. Now if you have vegetable broth or chicken broth, you can also feel free to add that in. But again, sometimes it's just easy to show you guys videos on what you can put together using items that you have readily available. So this is a pretty simple soup, delicious and healthy, of course, something definitely worth a try. If you have not tried it as yet, definitely give lentil pea soup a try. So with this new year, guys, and this new set of videos that I hope to do for you guys in this year, I want to not also encourage the cooking and getting involved in the kitchen, but I want to encourage more positivity in general. Now, social media is the it thing now. So everybody, all different ages, are familiar with social media, and to me, it can be used in a positive way, it can be used in a negative way. It can affect people in a positive way, and it can affect people in a negative way as well. And last year we saw a lot of negativity that came from social media. It's something where you open up yourself to a lot of criticism, a lot of feedback. And let me just tell you something, not everybody you meet out there are nice people. I'm just saying it quite frank, and we all know this. So some people just don't like to see you progress, some people just don't like to see you climb that success ladder. And you know what, that is just the reality of the world we live in. So what I want to do is every 2 weeks, well, the thing with my videos tend to be pre-recorded. So although I post a video today, it does not mean that I recorded that video on the same day that it was posted. So I started doing these shout outs, and because of my schedule, it was hard to sort of keep up with it to post in the videos, if you understand what I mean. But what I want to try to do this year is try to include videos where we highlight different people doing simple things, or just who you think should be highlighted for something positive that they did. It can be a small thing. They cooked their first meal, they drove for the first time, they got their driver's license, something positive. So if you guys are up for it, every 2 weeks, so twice for the month, I'm going to try to be posting videos Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays now. So the 2 Fridays of the month, we are going to just be highlighting random people. So you guys could message me. My email information is down below, or you can check me out on Instagram as well. My name, Jenna the Hijabi TT. You can find me on Instagram, on my Facebook page as well. Send me a message with anybody who you think should be highlighted for whatever positive thing that they did or contributed or achieved in any way. So my goal and my goal behind this is just to basically encourage positivity. I think that we all need it. I think that we could all do it. But having said that though, just remember guys, you do not and you never need validation from anybody, constant validation from anybody, to feel as though you have any sort of self-worth. Alright, so the main purpose of this is just to try to encourage more positivity, less negativity, more love, and less hate. So if you guys want to join in, of course, send me messages, anything that you think somebody did yourself, and of course, we'll try to highlight them. And that would just be my Jenna G's 2020, more positivity, less negativity, more love, less hate sort of awareness. So I think we all need it. I think you will agree with me. Sometimes we get carried away on social media. Too many times we bring down one another, when really and truly we should be trying to uplift and encourage one another. So how about we try that? I think it should be a good thing. And yeah, just try to encourage more positivity in our lives for sure. So it's coming along nicely. You can taste it, of course, to see if it needs any more salt. You can add more of the all-purpose seasoning, of course, to it. And seeing that it's almost finished, I'm going to be adding in my chopped up parsley, extra Chadon Beni, and grated garlic. So this you can add as much, like to me, soups should be very much well seasoned up. So I'd like to add a lot of the green seasoning and the fresh herbs that I have on hand. And believe it or not, guys, this is it for our lentil peas soup. Everything is just about cooked. Just going to turn this off and have some lentils soup. And this is what our lentil peas soup looks like. Smells so good right now. There's the cassava, there's the potato, but like I said, you can add just about any provision that you have, any vegetable. You can even add meat to it as well. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed my healthy lentil pea soup. So we did not even add any oil. There's no sugar, no golden butter, just lentil peas, provision, vegetables, and fresh herbs. It adds nice flavors to it, and it's just delicious. So I hope you guys give it a try out for sure. Like I said, if you have, you can add just about anything to it, vegetable, meat, and provision, and add just about any fresh green seasoning or fresh herbs that you have as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Remember, if you do want to be part of the more positivity, less negativity, more love, less hate sort of encouragement and awareness, send me a comment, send me messages, highlight anybody, even a shout out, even just to say, girl A, smile today, you did a wonderful job. Just send it to me, and let's just try to encourage the positivity and the goodness for this year, inshallah. So thanks so much for watching. Try out the lentil pea soup, of course. Let me know your version of lentil pea soup, and I will see you guys in the next video.